Welcome YouTube, and we're back with a next video.
Yes, guys.
So happy Emancipation, happy Emancipation Day, happy Independence Day. Yes, so
happiness overall.
yes, so we're definitely celebrating this holiday with a little theme, cooking style. We definitely had the idea to do from a while, and we're finally able to do it this year. From last year. So we'll be making a reggae rice, and what's the chicken? And the chicken would be like an oven jerk barbecue chicken. Yeah, we're still coming up with it, but we know say from long time we're gonna do reggae rice.
Yeah.
So guys, sit back, watch we celebrate Emancipation with a nice hot meal, and just enjoy your day, guys.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Alright, guys. So in the pot right now, you just added some water and how much cube of bouillon? 2 cube of bouillon. You know what I use. If you watch a cooking video, you know so the Maggi bouillon vegetable cube we use. And some salt. So you're gonna be making the reggae rice now, then we'll be showing the chicken afterwards as well.
I know we're gonna put coconut powder in the pot.
So 1 pack of coconut milk,
Yes.
dehydrated.
Pay no attention to the brand.
That's not covering the brand at all.
How will the brand do?
Up this up, but it knock off.
One entire pack. Anyways, guys, this is the frozen veggies that I was telling you about. So there are string beans and carrots in there, a few green beans, and
1 and 2 corn.
that is inside of the pot. Give it a nice little stir.
Alright, so guys, the turmeric was added a little bit off camera. No more than probably a teaspoon. Yeah, about so. So that's a go and boil. The mixture kind of combining. Then we're gonna add the rice shortly.
Now I'm adding some complete seasoning, not a lot.
Reggae rice. Alright people, so it's my fault that we lost this footage. I wasn't recording all along, but he placed the foil paper on it, added some vegetable oil to grease it, and he's going to lay the chicken on it. Yeah. I will kind of go oven jerk it.
People, is that type of chicken?
I want that one burst.
Yes, is it nice? This is a thigh. That's a little big.
You're probably right.
What is it? Hot. Don't play with fire, kids. And that is that.
Oh yeah, no.
So now, take a look on our rice. Cooking quite nicely. We're going to turn down the stove a little and leave this to,
The water in it is not like the Thai rice, you know, it's not tough rice.
Leave it to steam. No, Shadi, can you hear me? I talk to the people.
Oh, I never know. The way you whisper, I never know I talk today.
But never mind. Yeah, alright guys, so after 10 minutes this is all them look. That is what I want. Kinda get a little color on them before we take them out and put them in the pot to finish off the precisions. This is why I like my 8 leg. Get up, Mr. Bruce. You have the nicest piece in there. Look at that breast. Come, Mr. Ty. Your second in command. The legs are last. And the wings are third.
That's early, you know.
What?
One little piece of skin to eat now. Disgusting.
And that is that. After some time, people, this is the rice.
Reggaeton.
No, the rice is not looking bad at all, at all.
But the color isn't being. I don't know why the camera never you can pick up the color as good.
But I mean, it's fine.
It's fine. I'll probably take some pictures. At serving.
Yep. So that's the rice. Still a steam down though because of brown rice. Yes, people. So this is some sweet pepper, hot pepper, and garlic in the pot. I'm gonna make them fry down while me adding the seasoning line. Try to get a little jerk taste before putting the jerk, the buckled jerk sauce with some ketchup and water. Pretty simple. That is all. Yes, guys, and this is all for the sauce. Adding some white pepper and onion leaf, yeah, onion powder. No, garlic powder, sorry.
Oh my god, I put that one from.
It was.
Oh, is there? Jesus Christ. Look how long we have garlic
Well,
place.
that's in the seat. Like this. Make them go on.
Roast the jerky down. Jerk, you a jerk.
Oops. Yes, people, after I do all of that, I put water in the pot. Then I put some brown in. Now show now what kind of brownie.
I really love the brand them after the brand showing. Jeez, how much a big old dirty sponsorship. It must sponsorship. Big old free ad gone in our pot. Free ad gone in the pot. Foolishness me a chat.
If it had a stir, it smell like foolishness.
Really early. So it smell like foolishness.
It's jerk barbecue sauce.
Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce.
Come out.
You know something kind of for the spur using like none barely using the man. The spur. It's,
Some of the golden flakes.
so we have to do chop that one there too. And we just added some cayenne pepper right there. When you stir it up, probably adding a little more sugar to get the sauce going, you know. What's that? Already it gone to the dogs now. I gotta mix up this.
I know mix up, trust me.
Alright, I'm trusting you.
Alright, people. So now I'll be adding the chicken to this sauce. Sorry, to the sauce to make it finish cook down. So I'm going, after I submerge all of these, I'm showing what them look like. Alright guys, so this is what the chickens look like after I've submerged them in the sauce. So now I will leave them for 3 minutes for the sauce to boil up and reheat them. And then I turn it off and ready to eat. Probably I'm gonna cut off some veggies, I'm not sure yet, but if I do it more for that. So stay tuned to see what the dish looks like. Alright guys, I'm going to make some veg with this, the carrot, the tomato and the bell peppers.
Hello people! Look how nice oven stove top jerk. Jesus Christ! I mean, it's not authentic, but you know, it's still nice. I love it. It smell like jerk. It smells like living jerk. I love this. This nice. This
You
nice.
made a wash up plate now. Come on.
Alright guys, so when this are served up, definitely I'll come back with a little, you know, reaction reaction. Yes, but it pretty much finished now.
Yes, people. So this is the final result.
Yes, I'm sharing out.
Look nice, don't it? Woo! Go the gravy glistening. Jesus! Look like filter upon it, but it's not a filter.
Talk up to my sharing scale. So going to do one next.
Alright guys, so Shadika and I are going to tear into this delicious meal now, so we'll catch you in the next video.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little, like, watch us cook, doing a little, you know, testing, little, you know, something different, little reggae rice for Emancipation, Independence,
Yeah.
and look at jam, you know, oven top jerk. Honestly, it smells so much like jerk. It tastes so nice.
Anyways guys, see you in the next video.
Bye.